I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is FormCraft. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select Action Demio. Give here an API key and API secret key. So please visit the Demio API key and API secret key. Copy the Demio API key and API secret key and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Demio site and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Demio site. Thanks for watching.